Welcome to Looking Ahead, 7 Investment Themes for 2026. I'm Bill Henderson, Chief Investment Officer at Valley National Financial Advisors. As we close 2025, the stock market is poised for its sixth double-digit gain in 7 years. Gains have expanded beyond AI to international and fixed income assets. Inflation settled at 3%, tariffs eased, the Federal Reserve continued to cut rates, and fears of a recession did not materialize, emphasizing the need for disciplined portfolios. Looking ahead, investors must navigate midterm elections and AI advancements, keeping in mind these 7 key themes. Diversified asset classes are contributing to portfolio performance. In 2025, the investment landscape has shifted, with international equities surpassing U.S. markets as both developed and emerging markets achieve approximately 30% gains in dollar terms, propelled by stronger growth forecasts and a weaker dollar. Meanwhile, fixed income assets have played a pivotal role in portfolio stability, underscoring the importance of diversification and maintaining a long-term focus despite short-term market fluctuations. Strong returns have elevated valuations, with the S&P 500 trading at 22.5 times earnings, nearing the dot-com's bubble peak of 24.5 times. This suggests that investors are paying a premium for future earnings driven by enthusiasm for AI and economic optimism. While high valuations don't automatically signal an imminent decline, there is a potential for modest returns and heightened sensitivity to economic or earnings disappointments. AI captivated investor focus as spending surged into the trillions of dollars for data centers, GPUs, and AI researchers. The Magnificent Seven technology companies now account for about 1/3 of the S&P 500, presenting a substantial concentration risk. Transformative technologies like railroads and the internet have followed a pattern of skepticism, rapid adoption, enthusiasm, and eventual integration, often leading markets to overestimate the speed of profit realization. The U.S. economy experienced a rebound with a 3.8% increase in GDP in the second quarter of 2025, following a slight contraction in the first quarter, primarily due to reduced tariff uncertainty. Advancements in AI and technology hold the potential to enhance profit margins and support investment portfolios, albeit gradually and unevenly. Despite driving market volatility in 2025, tariffs have had a limited economic impact. Although tariff costs increased tenfold compared to prior years, the Consumer Price Index only rose slightly, as many announced tariffs were paused or scaled back. The Supreme Court may rule on tariff legality in 2026. For investors, recent developments and the 2018 negotiations suggest that tariffs are policy tools rather than fundamental shifts, indicating their market impact may diminish over time. In 2025, the economic landscape was marked by a 43-day government shutdown and persistent concerns about the national deficit. As short-term funding approaches expiration in January, another shutdown threat looms. The national debt remains a critical issue, reaching around 120% of GDP, or $36 trillion. Historical patterns suggest that concerns about debt sustainability should not dominate investment strategies. Instead, investors should prioritize understanding changes in tax legislation to optimize their portfolios. In September, the Federal Reserve resumed rate cuts after a pause earlier in 2025, entering 2026 with a monetary policy landscape marked by uncertainty. With the job market's fragility now overshadowing inflation concerns, the Fed is inclined towards measured adjustments over a dramatic policy shift. As Powell's term as Fed chair concludes on May 15, 2026, his successor might lean towards further rate cuts to sustain lower interest rates. In 2026, investors faced the challenge of staying balanced amidst uncertainty by remembering that markets have historically rewarded patience and discipline, Short-term investing and market timing are gambling. Long-term, consistent wealth accumulation is investing. As always, reach out to your professionals here at Valley National Financial Advisors with any questions or comments.